The universe may be bigger, older, and stranger than we ever believed. And the James Webb Space Telescope has just sent back new evidence that is so shocking, scientists say it may shatter our entire cosmology. What Webb discovered is not a small detail. It's something that could rewrite the story of how everything began. So stay with me, because this new discovery is too big to ignore. Right now, people all around the world are talking about one thing. Did the James Webb Telescope prove that our universe is not what we think? Some experts say this discovery is too late to apologize, because the old models may already be broken. Webb has revealed objects that simply should not exist, objects that challenge our deepest beliefs about time, space, and the Big Bang. Imagine looking back almost 13.5 billion years, close to the moment when the universe first came to life. Webb can see that far. But instead of young, tiny galaxies, it found massive, mature galaxies that should have taken billions of years to grow. This is the shock that has everyone confused. It's like finding a full-grown tree in a place where a seed was planted only yesterday. Scientists are calling these galaxies too big, too early. That phrase has now become a premium keyword across science channels and media platforms. And it makes sense, because if the universe had less time to build these giant structures, then our whole timeline of cosmic history might be wrong. But it gets even stranger. Webb did not just find huge galaxies. It found galaxies with heavy elements, things like carbon, oxygen, and iron materials that normally take many generations of stars to create. These things should not exist so soon after the Big Bang. Yet Webb is showing them clearly with no mistake. Every new Webb image seems to break another rule. This is why astrophysicists are worried and excited at the same time. They say the telescope is exposing cracks in the standard model of cosmology, the model that has guided science for decades. Suddenly, everything we thought was stable is now shaking. Some experts now say the Big Bang may not be the full story. They are not denying it happened, but they think something far more complex might have occurred. Maybe the early universe grew faster than we imagined. Maybe dark matter acted differently. Maybe new laws of physics were at play. Webb is forcing these questions into the spotlight. Social media platforms are exploding with theories, some wild, some smart. Many creators say this is the biggest space news of the decade, and they might be right. Because if Webb continues to find more impossible galaxies, then scientists will have no choice but to rebuild the universe model from the ground up. And here's the part that really scares scientists. Webb's data is extremely accurate. This is not a blurry image or a strange glitch. The telescope was built to see the earliest light in the universe, and that is exactly what it is doing. And what it sees does not match the old story. Right now, top astronomers are meeting, discussing, and arguing. Some want to fix the old model. Others say we need a new one. But one thing is clear. The Webb telescope has opened a door that cannot be closed. The universe is speaking, and its message is rewriting everything. As more Webb data arrives, the mystery only grows. The telescope is now spotting strange light patterns in distant galaxies' light that does not match known star types. Some scientists think these might be the signatures of superdense early stars, bigger and brighter than anything alive today. Others believe these signals point to a new kind of cosmic object we have never seen before. Webb has also captured surprising shapes in these ancient galaxies. Instead of messy, chaotic blobs, what we expect from young galaxies, they are well-formed, smooth, and organized. This is impossible under our old theories. How can a galaxy so early in the universe look more complete than galaxies near us? This question is now one of the biggest puzzles in modern astronomy. In one Webb image, a galaxy looks like it has a massive central bulge, something that normally takes a long time to form. Another galaxy appears to have spiral arms, which should not exist so soon after the Big Bang. These details are making scientists rethink how fast galaxies grow and how quickly gravity can sculpt the universe. The shock does not stop there. Webb has found supermassive black holes, objects millions or even billions of times heavier than the Sun living inside these early galaxies. But according to old theories, these black holes should not have had enough time to grow that big. Webb is showing them almost fully formed, which breaks everything we thought we knew about black hole evolution. Many scientists now think that the early universe may have been far more active, violent, and fast-moving than we imagined. Maybe it created stars, galaxies, and black holes at super speed. Or maybe something else was helping them grow something hidden, something powerful, something that we have not discovered yet. Dark matter is now back in the spotlight. Some experts believe dark matter may have played a bigger role in building early galaxies. Maybe it clumped together faster than normal matter. Maybe it created huge cosmic seeds that pulled galaxies into shape. Webb's data hints at this, but the truth is still unknown. Another idea is that the laws of physics were slightly different in the early universe. If gravity, energy, or even light behaved differently back then, it could explain why everything formed so fast. This is a bold idea, but bold ideas are needed now. Webb is showing us a universe that refuses to follow the rules. Webb's infrared cameras are also finding strange colors in early stars' colors that do not match any models. This could mean the first stars were massive giants, hundreds of times heavier than the sun. Some scientists think these stars burned so hot that they shaped the universe in ways we never expected. With each new discovery, the scientific world becomes more divided. Some experts defend the old model, saying we just need to add small adjustments. Others say the cracks are too big and the model must be replaced. But no matter who is right, everyone agrees on one thing. The universe is more mysterious, more powerful, and more unpredictable than we ever imagined. The James Webb Telescope is just getting started. It has years of work ahead, years of scanning deeper into the darkness, capturing older light, and revealing new secrets. If these first discoveries already challenge our understanding of everything, imagine what the next ones will bring. Now scientists are studying one more strange clue from Webb. Some distant galaxies appear to have stars made almost only of hydrogen and helium, with almost no heavy elements. These could be the first generation of stars, called population 3 stars, something scientists have searched for decades. If Webb has truly found signs of them, it means we are looking at the universe's first lights. But here is the twist. These possible first stars do not behave like our models predicted. Their brightness and size do not match old theories. This again means something in our understanding is broken. Webb is showing us the truth, but the truth is not fitting the story we believed. Some researchers think all these discoveries point to a universe that expanded faster or differently after the Big Bang. Maybe there were hidden forces. Maybe there was another phase of rapid growth. Or maybe the Big Bang happened in a way we never imagined. Webb is not only asking questions, it is forcing us to rewrite answers. Even the shape of space itself is under question. Some Webb data hints that space might have tiny curves or ripples that we never detected before. These curves could affect how light travels across billions of years. If true, this would change our measurements of time, distance, and even the age of the universe. The biggest shock of all is that many galaxies Webb discovers look too bright. They shine more than they should. Some experts say this could mean we are seeing something that our eyes do not fully understand, maybe hidden stars, maybe unknown processes, or maybe even a new kind of energy at work. Every time Webb gives us a new image, the scientific world stops. Old ideas fall, new ideas rise. The telescope has become the most powerful truth machine in human history, showing us the universe not as we imagined it, but as it really is. And these discoveries affect everyone, not just scientists. They change how we think about time, creation, and our place in the cosmos. If the universe grew faster, bigger, and smarter than we believed, then life itself might be more common or more special than we ever expected. Many say this is a new golden age of discovery. Webb is not just a telescope. It is a time machine, a window to the first moments of everything. And with every new look, it shakes the world. The old cosmology is breaking. Something new is coming. So the real question now is, what will Webb find next? Will it reveal the first stars? The first black holes? Or something so wild that no one has words for it yet? The answers are out there, hidden in the deep sky, waiting for Webb to uncover them. One thing is certain, it is too late to apologize. The universe has spoken. And the James Webb Space Telescope has changed everything.